I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and creating the project so you can work immediately. First, open Android Studio, create an empty activity project with API 21 or higher, and choose Kotlin or Java based on your preference. Once done, add dependencies, either Room components or Sqlite helper libraries in module build. Gradle and press sync. Make sure to enable Android SDK tools. This ensures the emulator and build tools are available. This gets you into actionable code without delay. Next, implement the database layer so your app can persist data reliably. Define entities or tables with clear fields and primary keys. Use annotations for Room or SQL, create table statements for raw Sqlite. Then implement DAOs or helper methods for insert, query, update, and delete. These are the methods your UI will call. Once your classes are ready, instantiate the database using Room Database Builder, or by subclassing Sqlite, open helper, and calling get writable database. This wiring makes sure your data operations run on background threads. Finally, connect the database to your UI and finalize testing so the app behaves predictably. From your activity or view model, call DAO methods on a coroutine or executor to avoid blocking the main thread. This prevents ANR. Use live data, flow, or cursor loaders to observe data and update the UI automatically. Then run the app on an emulator or device and perform CRUD tests. If something goes wrong, check Logcat for SQL errors and verify schema mismatches. Mismatched columns are the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.